Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zohran Mamdani, and when we launched this campaign 8 months ago, we were at 1% in the polls. We were at 1%, and there were many who told us that this was an interesting idea at best, that a Muslim candidate could never get to this point, that a South Asian candidate could never run across the 5 boroughs. And I stand before you now, just a few points away from beating Andrew Cuomo and becoming the next mayor. And I stand there because over these 8 months, we have built a campaign of more than 46,000 volunteers who have knocked on 1.1 million doors, made 500,000 phone calls. And through all of that time, I have said that my focus is on making New York City affordable. It is on making the most expensive city in the United States one that the working and middle class can afford. And there have been moments in this race where people like Andrew Cuomo want to make this about something else. They design mailers where they call me dangerous, where they call me radical, where they artificially lengthen and darken my beard. And what they are asking New Yorkers is to be afraid of the first Muslim mayor of this city. But what I have found time and again is that New Yorkers know that Muslims are just like any other New Yorker. We want and deserve the same things: equality and respect. And we know the same things that I was taught by my grandfather Yusuf and my grandmother Kulsum, that to be a good Muslim is to be a good person. It is to help those in need and harm no one. It is to follow the words of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, who instructed us to make things easier, do not make them more difficult. Spread glad tidings. And even as I face a torrent of hatred and smears and slander, I will always be proud to be the first Muslim elected official. And I will always be proud to believe in equal rights for all people. A belief that freedom and justice and safety can only be meaningful if we apply them to everyone, and that includes Palestinians. And I will